Welcome back to Vertical Videography. Terry here. So the last couple days, yesterday and today, we've had sustained winds of 15 to 20 mile per hour and miles per hour, and wind gusts up to 50 miles an hour. There's a lot of power outages and everything in the area, but what I want to do, because I'm a little bit crazy, is I'm going to try to fly in this just to see if it's even possible. Um, so because it's so windy, I'm gonna use my backup drone, a Syma X8C, and it won't have any of my, it won't have a gimbal on it or anything. So you'll see the landing gear in the shot and all that. So, um, but I just want to give it a shot. So crazy. I don't know if you can see the trees, just incredible. They're just bending over. That was difficult. I don't think I'll ever do that again. It was very challenging. As you saw, I hit that one tree branch. I thought for sure the drone was going to hit the floor, but hit the ground. But I went over and I tried to show you my neighbor's canoe this morning was actually flipped like 15 feet from where it used to be. It used to be snug up against the pool there, but the wind just blew it across their lawn. And I didn't go over probably about 20 feet high today, just because I didn't want to fly away or anything. You know, it's a cheap drone, but actually got it on eBay for 25 bucks used. But I just didn't want to lose my camera and the drone and all that stuff anyways. But that was fun, but I won't do it again, and I don't recommend you do it unless you want to risk flyaway, or you could easily destroy your drone within seconds. I came very close to hitting a tree a couple times. But as always, like, subscribe, share this video. We're just getting this channel up and running, so stick with us. More adventures to come.